Welcome to the Human Experience by Hiddenbody. For over a decade, we've explored movement in all its forms: strength, flexibility, coordination, and beyond. Our goal is to make the movement practice more inclusive and personal by sharing our unique experience. Ready to discover what your body is capable of? Go to hiddenbody.nl or click on the link below to download our free handstand guide, and let's move into today's episode.
And I don't know if I'll be back again.
Left foot. Right foot.
My arm can be tensile, and my arm can be more relaxed. Yeah.
Do my best. But if I do, it was worth it. Woo. Stop!
I just have one question. Is dit de bedoeling?
Dit is niet de bedoeling.
Above the butt cheeks, she's going to lift me up and she's going to open up my chest. Picture.
Nice, 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 nice.
Business meeting with Christo and Rich.
And 80% of the time, just give them the newspaper. And switch. Don't just try to listen with your fingertips, listen with everything you are. So listening with your toes, with your knees, listening with your hips, with your shoulders, with your spine. Problem. Trying to get some connection for Instagram Reels.
While also getting a connection, a body-mind connection. Or is it just the body, or is it just the mind, or is it... Oh.
Thank you for watching today's episode. I hope you could extract something useful out of it to put into your own movement practice. If you enjoyed this content, make sure you like and subscribe, or go to hiddenbody.nl for on and offline options, or check out our free handstand guide to begin your handstand process. Looking forward to seeing you in the next episode.